जा बाबा के अंतर द्वार, उड़ जा प्यारे वतन में, नीले अंबर के उस पार पंछी रे। पंचेंद्रिय का छोड़ दे बंधन, तन मन से तू हो जा समर्पण। पंचेंद्रिय का छोड़ दे बंधन, तन मन से तू हो जा समर्पण। दिव्य ज्योतिर्मय देह धारण कर, बाबा के पास जा होके मगन। प्रेम की डोर में मोती पिरो के, प्रेम की डोर में मोती पिरो के, कर ले सच्चा श्रृंगार। उड़ जा प्यारे वतन में, नीले अंबर के उस पार, नीले अंबर के उस पार पंछी रे। बन के फरिश्ता बाबा से मिलना, देना संदेश हमारा। बन के फरिश्ता बाबा से मिलना, देना संदेश हमारा। याद प्यार हम सबका देना, ला वतन का नजारा। सच्ची लगन से बन जा बाबा के, सच्ची लगन से बन जा बाबा के। तू गले को हार, उड़ जा प्यारे वतन में, नीले अंबर
Om Shanti. I took Bhog to Baba, to offer Baba, and also for Dadi Gulzar. And Baba, with lot of love, accepted Bhog and was very, very sweetly sharing Drishti and making us merge in Baba's sweet love. So it was beautiful experience to share that Drishti with Baba. And then Baba accepted Bhog. Baba also gave Dadi Gulzar, fed her. So then Baba said to her that whole family loves you very much. So Dadi was smiling and keep looking at Baba. And she said, Baba, it is because of you. And Baba looked at her that it could not be only because of me, but you are also very loving and sweet. So there was this little chit chat, and then Baba said that anyone who has to be instrument to be with Baba, companion of Baba, or uh, nimit, or instrument, they have to have matching qualities with Baba. Otherwise, they cannot be instruments, even if they will do service. Everyone creates fortune by doing elevated actions. But for souls to experience sweet love, belonging to Baba, it is important to have you have similar qualities like Baba. Then Baba said that the Gulzar, even if she will say that it's Baba, because of Baba what I am, but also she has those qualities. Baba, ocean of knowledge, Baba is ever pure, Baba is ocean of love, Baba is ocean of peace. So from very beginning, Dadi Gulzar also kept aim to have these virtues in her. So Baba said because she maintained those virtues, not only through awareness, but her words, her eyes, her interaction with others. Baba said that in that she expressed all the virtues. And that is why Baba could use her. If it is not in contrast virtues, or if there are no virtues in practical life, then Baba cannot make that soul nimit. Baba won't be able to work through that soul. So it was very interesting when Baba was sharing this, and I said, yeah, it's so important. And then after that, Baba said that another quality of Dadi Gulzar was that she never had wasteful thoughts for anyone, for anything. So because of that, she was able to accumulate all the powers, especially power of thought. And power of thought is one is that she could be in silence very easily, was very peaceful, but also always have very pure feelings towards every soul, every child of Baba. So Baba said that whatever she had, and then she kept aim, but also then she shared that with everyone. So Baba said because of that, the family has lot of love, lot of respect, and also lot of trust. Whatever she said or the messages she brought, everyone had 100% trust because of this inner purity. So Baba said, this is how all the children, all of you, have to think that my qualities in thoughts, words, and actions have to match Baba, right? And Baba said, if you all keep aim, you will find that how Baba is not only give you powers, but reveals himself through each one of you and make you instrument for everyone to do special service, serving the souls. So Baba was sharing this, and then Baba said that if you all pay attention, of course, every Baba's child will become the image where you will be able to show the qualities of Baba. And then Baba gave lots of love, remembrances for each one. बाबा को भोग स्वीकार कराया. बाबा ने कहा दादी को कि सबको आप बहुत प्यार, सभी आपको बहुत प्यार करते हैं. तो दादी बाबा को देख के कहने लगी, बाबा आपके कारण ना. बाबा ने कहा ठीक है, बाबा के कारण है, लेकिन तुमने भी ये लक्ष्य रखा कि बाबा के गुण जो हैं वो मनसा वाचा कर्मणा में, अपनी व्यवहार में पूरी तरह से रहें. क्योंकि आपके जो गुण, आपने ये एम रख के जो गुण मूर्त रहे, तो बाबा आपको निमित्त बना के आपसे ये सेवा कर पाए. परंतु अगर वो गुण नहीं होते तो बाबा तो सेवा आपसे नहीं करा पाता. तो इसलिए आपका अपना पुरुषार्थ भी इसमें बहुत अच्छा रहा दादी गुलजार का. फिर बाबा ने कहा दादी को, हम सबके प्रति, कि दादी कभी भी व्यर्थ संकल्प नहीं आते थे. तो उससे क्या था कि उनकी साइलेंस शक्ति और उनके और भी जो गुण हैं, शक्ति सदा जमा रहती थी, जमा होती जाती थी, क्योंकि व्यर्थ था नहीं. तो बाबा ने कहा कि आप सभी बच्चे भी निमित्त हो और सभी यही चाहते हैं कि बाबा को हम प्रत्यक्ष करें. तो बाबा ने कहा कि उसके लिए हर एक को यह टेंशन रखना पड़ेगा कि जो बाबा के गुण हैं, बाबा ज्ञान के सागर हैं, पतित पावन हैं, शांति प्रेम के सागर हैं, तो हम सभी भी उसके स्वरूप रहें. तो सागर बाबा जो है आप सभी को निमित्त बनाकर आपके द्वारा बाबा का परिचय, बाबा की प्रत्यक्षता करा सकते हैं. ऐसे कहते हुए बाबा ने बहुत बहुत सभी के लिए याद दिया और बहुत प्रेम भरी दृष्टि से हमको जैसे प्रेम के सागर में समा दिया. ओम शांति.